more minutes. Yeah, let me see. Let's ask for the Wi-Fi to come.
Please, Wi-Fi, please.
Come now. Oh, there it is. Hold on. Oh,
Let's see it's
okay, let's go back there.
I'm going to punch the big, you. So just you take the big ball and then put it there.
Nawala na si ano ko. Anong tawag doon? May 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 robot. What do you call that? I need to install back again. Hindi ako nasilip ni Mang Jun ah. Mang Jun TV, nasaan ka? Shout out. Si Sly Ramos. Ayan, mga kaibigan ko na datihan. Sir Al Sanchez, 1766. Explore Malaysia, Flavornator. Who else? Unearthing Nature and Culture. Melods Vlog. I'm just doing shout out, okay? Before we end. New Hope. Yan. Kwon. My Korean friend. Who else? My nephew just now. Or my niece. Oh, you're watching a cooking video. You love to
Because
cook?
I
That is a
like
sweet
it.
potato.
I just watched it a while ago, so I watched it with my brother and my mom.
Wala nang 3 hours.
Huh?
Napasubat tayo.
He make a pancake.
Pancake out of sweet potato and egg.
Uh-huh.
I have also like this at home.
Whoa.
Cast
And
iron.
you had a cat one?
Yes.
A cat plate?
Cut plate?
Uh-huh.
I think I have.
So yummy.
That's carrot.
Wait. I was like it.
Celery, carrot, and some noodles.
What's this? Oh my god, it's so scary.
That is
Yummy.
potato.
What he's going to do?
Maybe it's, oh, it's just roasting.
Can you make like this?
Or maybe they can. Some of my American
Also
friends.
like this?
Sweet potato and egg equals pancake.
Uh-huh. Can you make like this? Maybe there's a yes. I hear
Yeah. How about that one? I don't know that.
Let's make out. Huh? Let's make out with cheese.
Bawal bata sa live.
I'll just go and...
Saglit lang na siya naman pumunta. Say bye na. 2 minutes na lang, sis.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Look at her.
Mm.
Looks funny.
Mag-e-end na ako, sis. 2:58 na. So, another 2 more minutes. Akala ko naglalaba ka dyan. Ang dami mong labahin.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Lucy. Any question related to the topic of Ma'am Lucy, please feel free to key into our chat box.
What? Yes, such a big mouth. Okay, get down and then we can properly say bye to all my followers. Bye-bye! Mag-sign off na ako, sis. Mag-end na ako para ano. Naka 3 hours na. Chat na lang tayo sa FB, sis. Ano? Para yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Sana maayos ko yun. Thank you again for coming, my dear friends. Ma'am Agnes, ingat palagi. Salamat sa pag-drop by. I miss you. Na-miss kita. Miss ko yung ano, chit-chatan natin dati. Si Mami kaya, tulog na yun siguro. Si Mami Unearthing, si Ma'am Marilo. Ay, at Mami Marilo. Sa ano. Bye sis, bye. Mag-end na ako. Paano na ba i-end to? Hindi ko na alam yata. Anong i-preference ko pag mag-end na?